Back to the Twin Sisters channel. Sorry for not posting in a while, but here's a video. So today we're going to be reviewing three slimes. One is Elmer's Glue Candy Blast, and these two are homemade. So let's begin with the Elmer's Glue Candy Blast. Sounds so good. It's really rippy because it's not like slime. It's like putty-ish slime. Let's take it out of the container. It's not circulated. Feels so good. It's really rippy because I stretch it really slowly, and then it will stretch. It used to be a clear bluish teal slime, but we put baby lotion in it, so now it's like this. It can make better bubbles though. There's also these candy charms in it. They look so cute, and they're rainbow colored. And I don't think this slime has a scent. I think it just smells like glue. I got this from Walmart. And it looks pretty good. Let's start to make bubbles of it because I think you can make bubbles of it. But hear those pops. Sounds so nice. Okay, so let's oh no, it popped. Here there's crunches. Here are the crunches. Let's try to make another bubble again. That was a fail. Again. But the crunches are good. I don't know if this is really made for bubbles. But the catches are good at least. It's really thick though. I just pulled it apart. Ooh, look at that stretch. Okay, so let's move on with the next slime. We have to hear this sound. Sounds like a frog, but it's not a frog. Okay, let's play with this this one. It's a white slime. Doesn't feel so good though. It's really sticky actually. Well, actually not really sticky, but like really slimy and goopy. It has great sounds though. It's also really small though. Glow ball. Okay, let's try to make a bubble now. So this is not really for making bubbles. This is more like just for stretching and stuff. These sounds. This sounds so good. Feels so good. I think we should start to play the other slime now. Is this bad? Okay, now the next slime feels really goopy. We just came out of the container. Oh, this is not the best consistency. It's really slimy. It's like one of those goopy store-bought slimes you see in Walmart. It's like a butter slime. It's really stretchy, but not like a butter slime at all. It's so goopy. Oh, it feels really squishy. Not the best feeling. I don't know if I can even make both. This is so weird feeling. I mean, the bubble will pop really easily. We need a bubble. So this is so slimy that it makes a bunch of bubble sounds. So far, this is the only one that can make actual bubbles. This feels like butter slime. poopy. Okay, I think it's not playing with the slime. If he's just too poopy to play with, it doesn't feel that fun anymore. So let's get the slime off the table. Okay, so this is one last thing I want to show you is how to make homemade activator. First, you need cold water. Next, you need salt, like 2 spoons. And it actually works. And then you're going to need any type of laundry detergent in a powdery form. And then once you mix it, it will start to activate and it will work. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.